We're here for 45 seconds, so you have time to get your rhythm and pace. Feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Follow the arrows down into your squat, sending your hips back, chest lifted. Hit the cues. Then drive your energy down into your heels back to standing as you fully reach across your body. This exercise is not only amazing strength training for your quads and glutes, but also your core. For extra engagement and stability, give me a nice exhale as you stand and reach. Guide you up and down. Before, we use both of our legs equally in the squat. Now I'm asking you to isolate the left and right by shifting side to side. I still need a tight, strong core to help cut through lateral space. So keep your chest lifted and push off your standing foot to the other side. I'm gonna keep reminding you to breathe. Inhale, exhale. Give me another burst of energy in the last few seconds of this round. Take a big step back and bend both knees. Your front knee should feel stacked over your ankle as you drop your back knee. Keep your chest upright and lifted the whole time to avoid hunching over or leaning too far to one side. Woo, quads and glutes are already fired up, and now we're waking up those hamstrings. It's a legalicious treat. Push off your... Just like our shift squat from circuit 1, you'll need to shift side to side and use your squat for the bottom cues. For the top cues, fully extend your arms to strike. This will get your back and core working as you reach across your body. Come on, keep pushing it all the way to 0. All right, your main challenge will be exploding off your standing foot by stepping or jumping. Staying low as you quickly shift from side to side. Hips remaining front as you reach across the body. Circuit 1 was all about strengthening your legs for this moment, so enjoy that burn and keep breathing. And to fire up that legalicious treat. Pivot on the ball of your foot as you bend both knees, just like in our lunge in circuit 1. Because you have to turn, you will also have to tighten your core and use your balance to come back to the original position, then reload. Feet are slightly wider than hip width apart for your squat as you send your hips back. Arrows are there to guide you down. Hit the cues, quickly return to standing and slip over to your next set. I want good form over speed here. Use your breath to help you move with power and stability. You asked for a workout, so I couldn't leave you hanging. Here's your ultimate leg burner finale. You know the drill. Feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Chest lifted, hips back. Don't forget my favorite exhale to help power you back to standing. Here's your halfway mark.